Hey guys, today let's learn how to get rating on Facebook Marketplace. So if you guys would like to go ahead and get a rating on Facebook Marketplace, all we need to do is to go on over our Messenger applications and then swipe right until you see your marketplace options. Now, I want you to go on over the specific people that has inquired to you from something that you are selling. If you want to go ahead and do that, what we could actually do is to go on over from this example, and then we could actually go on over and chat with them and also offer them the option to rate you. So you can actually go ahead and ask people for them to rate you. Basically, this is an option that they should do on their end instead of you doing it for yourself. So that is what you could actually do, guys. You could ask for the specific buyers that you have right here to give you some 5-star ratings so that you could be a top-rated seller on Facebook Marketplace. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.